How you doing?
Okay.
Good. Is this your first car?
Yeah.
Okay. And what's your name?
Hayley.
Hayley?
Yeah.
And I'm Joe.
Alright.
Okay, so I'm going to talk. Are you comfy there? Can you reach everything?
Is this auto?
Okay.
Is it an auto?
Yeah, automatic, yep.
Not manual?
No.
I thought it was manual.
Okay, so I'm going to talk you through the first part of the course here real quick. We're just going to roll up there just enough to turn that light blue on the right hand side. When it turns green and it's time to go, we're just going to squeeze that gas pedal all the way to the floor. We're going to go all the way out to that first box there on the left hand side. Once we get there, we're going to get off the gas and just maintain our speed. Okay? When we get out to that second box there on the left, that's our braking zone, so we want to go full braking. We want to stop the car as quickly as we can. Okay? We'll put it in drive. Wait 1 second. Now we're good. Okay. Get your way up there, just enough to turn the light blue. Right about there. Right there, stop. Up, you roll. Then come back just a hair. Right there. Okay, back to drive. Okay. Both hands on that wheel now. Ready?
Yeah.
Set and go. All the way to the front of the car. There you go. Okay, we can go pull out. So we're just going to go up to 40 miles an hour. And then we're going to head out around the turn. We're looking for 2 orange cones. We want to be right in the center of the 2 orange cones. At the second set of orange cones, and that's where we're going to start increasing our speed as we're going around the turn. We're looking for the orange and white gates that are painted on the ground. We want to stay right in the center of those. See the orange and white gates?
Yeah.
Stay right in the center. Now squeeze on the gas. A little harder. Keep squeezing. And harder. Keep squeezing. Stay within your gates. More gas. More gas. More gas. All the way to the floor now. Now we're going to roll up onto the track.
Okay.
Yep. Right down the center of the lane. All the way to that big cone down there. Stay on. Off the gas. We're braking. We're going to follow that white line. We're going to stay above it. And do your time run this time through. Simple, huh?
Yeah. It's easier than I thought.
Oh yeah. And this time you got to do it on your own. I'm not going to tell you what to do. No, I'm only kidding.
I forget.
Okay, so we're just going to roll up there just enough to turn that light blue this time. We'll try not to go through it. There. Okay. Ready? Set and go. Go. And now full brake. Okay, we can go ahead and pull out. We're going to go to 40 miles an hour. Those 2 orange cones right there. Second set, that's where we'll start increasing our speed. Just looking for those orange and white gates. You want to stay right in the center of them. You see that squeeze down? A little harder this time. A little harder. A little harder. A little harder. A little harder. All the way to the floor now. 2 more sets of gates. Now roll up onto the track and use the center of the lane all the way down. There you go. Nice and smooth. That's the way you want to do it. Challenger top speed 110 and brake some more. And we'll ease down off the track. We're going to go right back up to the center of that archway.
Where?
What's that?
Where are we going now?
Right in the center, just like we started out. But we're only going to go to that big orange cone this time.
Now Kylie, it's going to be Matthias.
Good park right there. coming out. Appreciate it.
Thank you.